What is? If you've been exposed to industrial automation for any amount of time, chances are you've run into Modbus. It shows up in PLCs, HMIs, drives, meters, often quietly doing its job in the background. So what is Modbus, and why, decades after its creation, is it still so widely used? Modbus is an open industrial communication protocol. It defines a simple, standardized way for devices to exchange data. One device makes the request and the other responds. A clear question and answer exchange with no negotiation and no ambiguity. Modbus was originally developed in the late 1970s by Modicon, one of the early pioneers of programmable logic controllers. At the time, industrial systems needed a reliable way for devices from different manufacturers to communicate. Modbus filled that gap by being simple, open, and easy to implement, design choices that still shape how it's used today. Over time, Modbus evolved into several common forms. Modbus RTU and Modbus ASCII are typically used over serial connections, like RS-232 and RS-485, while Modbus TCP runs over standard Ethernet networks. While the physical layers may differ, the underlying communication model remains the same. At the heart of Modbus is its client-server architecture. One device initiates communication by making a request, and the other responds with the requested data and/or basic confirmation that the action was performed. Devices don't speak unless spoken to, which makes communication predictable and easy to follow. That predictability carried into the Modbus data model. Information is organized into categories, each identified by an address. A register might hold a motor speed, a temperature value, or a set point. A coil might represent a simple on-off command or power status. Its only job is to move numbers from one device to another. Under the hood, each Modbus request is a consistent, compact message that includes who the message is for, what action to perform, and which data to access. This straightforward structure is one reason Modbus is both easy to implement and relatively easy to troubleshoot. These design choices give Modbus several key advantages. It's royalty-free and system-agnostic, with no licensing fees or vendor lock-in. And because it's been around for so long and so well-trusted, nearly every industrial automation platform supports it in some form. Plus, Modbus is inherently efficient and well-structured. Communication follows a consistent pattern which makes system behavior easier to predict, especially in smaller or highly controlled architectures. And most importantly, it comes with a very shallow learning curve. These traits commonly make Modbus a practical choice for connecting legacy equipment, integrating third-party devices, or building simple machine-level networks without much fuss. But that simplicity comes with trade-offs. In its standard form, Modbus has no built-in security. There's no encryption, authentication, or access control at the protocol level. As a result, Modbus is typically only used on trusted or isolated networks rather than exposed enterprise systems. It's also limited in context. Modbus moves raw values, but it doesn't define those values. If a register contains the number 250, the protocol doesn't know whether that's degrees, PSI, or RPM. What the value means is defined and maintained at the system level by the engineer. Because of these limitations, Modbus isn't usually the first choice for large, information-rich systems or IIoT applications. Native communication drivers or protocols like OPC UA or MQTT are usually better suited for those roles. And yet, Modbus remains incredibly relevant, especially in today's mix-and-match system architecture. It excels at what it was designed to do: simple, reliable device communication. When you need an HMI to read data from a PLC, a controller to talk to a drive, or a monitoring system to collect values from field devices, Modbus often delivers exactly what's needed without unnecessary complexity. In short, Modbus isn't flashy, but it's dependable. It's a foundational protocol that continues to earn its place in modern automation by being straightforward, well understood, and universally supported. And sometimes that's exactly the right tool for the job. Whether it's building a full industrial facility or a simple home automation project, Automation Direct is here to help you achieve your goals. Learn more at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to explore more in our What Is Educational series. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational, tutorial, and product videos at Automation Direct.